Come with me as we feed our rabbit. And look who is in the rabbit cage. What are you doing, mommy? What are you doing? Look, look. Oh my God, my rabbits are hungry. Damn. So this is a mother rabbit, and it's a young one. And you are who? You are my young one. You are my young one. And look who is eating rabbit food. What's wrong with this? Where? Mutina? Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, they're so cute and delicious. Cute and delicious. Why are you running away? Why are you running? Look at this one. Keeps being big, bing, big, 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 bing, 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 bam. Keeps being big and it has refused to give birth. Guys, how do I deal with this? One. My chinchilla. Now it's time to get them water. Where? Wacha kukula chakula ya sapa. Always remember to feed your rabbits with clean water. I don't want their food to be messed up. So that's it. Water. Water. Oh, no, it's running away. And then we look and you don't have water too. Mm-hmm. That's your water. Guys, here getting greens, it's really a real struggle.